Hey guys, my name is James Diaz, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Have It All by Mraz on the ukulele. So let's get started. The chords for the intro, the first verse, and the second verse is all going to be the same chords. It's going to be an E to a C sharp minor to an A and then to a B. So the chords for the intro and the verses is going to be an E, C sharp minor, A, and a B. And the chords for the pre-chorus, may the best of your days be the worst of your tomorrows. And it's going to be a C sharp minor to an A, to an E, and then to a B. So it's a C sharp minor, an A, an E, and a B. And then the chords for the chorus is going to start with an E, and then go to a B, and then go to a C sharp minor, and then go to an A. So the chords for the chorus is an E, B, C sharp minor, A. E, B, C sharp minor, and an A. And the chords for the bridge, the oh, I want you to have it all you can imagine. And it's going to start with a C sharp minor to a B, then back to C sharp minor, then you're going to play an E, an A B, C sharp minor, and an E. So the chords for the bridge is a C sharp minor, a B, and a C sharp minor. Then it's going to be an E, an A, and a B, a C sharp minor, and an E. Alright, so those are all the chords that you need to know for this song. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play all the different parts of the song for you. The intro, the first verse, the pre-chorus, the chorus, and the bridge, just so you can see where all these chords are placed in the song. And then I'll teach you a really basic strumming pattern you could use at the end of the video. Alright, so the intro is going to go like this. It'll be... Then you go into the verse. May you have auspiciousness and causes of success. May you have the confidence to always do your best. May you take an effort and you're being generous, sharing what you can, nothing more, nothing less. May you know the meaning of the word happiness. May you always lead with the beating in your chest. May you be treated like an esteemed guest. May you get to rest, may you let you catch your breath. Then you go into the pre-chorus. May the best of your days be the worst of your tomorrows. Whoa. May the road less traveled be the one that you follow. Whoa. Then you go into the chorus. Here's to the hearts you're gonna break, and here's to the lives that you're gonna change. Here's to the infinite possible ways to love you. I want you to have it. Here's to the good times we're gonna have. You don't need money, you got a free pass. And here's to the fact that I'd be sad without you. I want you to have it. Oh, I want you to have it. Oh, I want you to have it. I want you to have it all. Alright, so then you go to the second verse, but it's the same as the first verse, so I'm going to skip ahead to the bridge for you. Alright, so then the bridge is going to go, oh, I want you to have it all you can imagine, oh, no matter what your path is, if you believe it, then anything could happen. Go, 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 raise your glasses, go, 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 you can have it, here's to the hearts that you're gonna break, and here's to the lives. Then you go back into the chorus. That's basically where all the chords are placed in the song, so I'll teach you a strumming pattern you could use now. Alright, so a simple strumming pattern you could use for this song, just to start into the strumming pattern, I'm going to start with 2 downstrokes and then go straight into the strumming pattern. So it'll be down, down, up, up, 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 down, up. So it's up, down, up, 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 Alright, so that's a really basic strumming pattern you could use for this song, and now we're going to talk about a book. The Girl with the Train is like the Hunger Games. They're both about girls, and they're both about trains. Only the girl with the train smells like Hollister. The Girl with the Train is better than The Lord of the Rings, in that it's smaller, and it costs less. The Girl with the Train is a magnet punk novel about a girl named Catherine set in a post-apocalyptic world, where the government is evil, and there's a resistance trying to fight said government. So the resistance is trying to take down the corrupt government, but they don't trust Catherine and her friends to do a very good job, so she decides to take matters into her own hands and steal a train from the resistance to go and infiltrate the highest level of their oppressive and corrupt government. Everything ends up going crazy, and she has to run away from the corrupt government with the stolen train from the resistance, and she expects no help from the resistance at all, seeing as she stole their train. So I actually read this book. I read it twice, actually. I really, really liked it. And if you do get the book and you like it, I want to ask you guys if you can leave a review saying that James Diaz Music sent you. Thank you guys for watching. So I hope that this tutorial helped you, and I'll see you guys in another one.